guys, we're gonna show you to our house. First things first is our, what do we call this again?
The puesto.
The store. This is our machines. Also that inside, that's the cashier. And this is my room. This is our room. There. See, it's so dirty. Next is our living room. Our living room is big. Look, see, we have a massage chair, that, and this, that. And next is our kitchen. This is our kitchen. Next is our floor. That's our garage. That's our dogs. And also that we will show you our dog. This is the dog that I'm telling you last time. Pero na-delete yung video. That's Monay. Say hi, Monay. And where's Pochi? Put her down. Pochi, that's Pochi also. That's Pochi. And the dog, of course, last but not the least, third floor. It's our house. It's very hot here. Let's go, guys.